Most people who struggle with Forex trading aren't necessarily bad at trading. They're confused about what they're buying and what they're selling. So in this video, I'm going to explain the base currency and the quote currency. So every price movement that you see will finally make sense. So if this clicks, Forex will actually stop feeling random for you. But who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name's Callum West. I've been trading for several years. I've passed multiple 1 and 2 stage verifications with different prop firms and actually received payouts from them as well. I'm also part of a gold trading community that currently stands at 3,600 members in there, and we've also set up our auto Forex trading bot. So if you are interested in either joining the signals chat or the Forex bot, then feel free to drop me a message and we can get you involved with either of those. So Forex is actually different to other markets. So in stocks you buy a company, in crypto you buy a coin. In Forex you're always doing two things at the same time. So you're buying one currency and selling another. This is why currency pairs exist. So every currency pair has two currencies, the base currency and the quote currency. Now the order of it does actually matter. So the first currency is always the base currency and the second currency is always the quote. This never changes. So when you look at a chart, you are not just looking at a price, you're looking at the relationship between the two currencies. So let's get an example in place. So euro to the US dollar. So euro is the base currency, US dollar is the quote currency. If euro US dollar is trading at 1.1000, the price that it costs means it's 1.10 US dollar to buy 1 euro. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Every decimal you see is simply telling you the exchange rate between the two currencies. Now, here's the rule to simplify everything. If price goes up, the currency pair is getting stronger. If the price goes down, the base currency is getting weaker. You are always trading in strengths versus weaknesses. So here's where most beginners get stuck. They hear buy and sell, and they think buy means obviously go up, sell means go down, but that's only half of the story. When you are buying a Forex pair, you are buying the base currency and selling the quote. When you sell a Forex pair, you are selling the base currency and buying the quote currency. So if you buy euro to the US dollar, you believe the euro will be strengthened against the dollar. If you sell euro to the US dollar, you believe the euro will weaken against the dollar. Every trade is a statement about relative strength. So once you understand this, entries, exits, analysis start to align. In Forex, both currencies cannot win at the same time. That's an important, obviously, thing to remember. So if the euro strengthens, the dollar weakens relative to each other. This is why news affects pairs differently. So a strong US job report might push USD higher. That doesn't necessarily mean all pairs will go down. It depends on what the dollar is paired with. You are not predicting the future, you are comparing the currencies in the present. When beginners don't understand base and quote currency, analysis becomes a little bit messy. They might see a bullish euro chart, a strong dollar headline and feel confused. But once you understand that base versus quote, you can ask the better question. Instead of asking, will euro US dollar go up? You can ask which is stronger right now, the euro or the US dollar. Clarity always comes before trading, so here are a few mistakes I see all the time. So thinking that prices is random, forgetting which currency is base, switching bias mid-trade, overcomplicating simple relationships between the currency pairs. Forex does not reward complexity early on. It rewards understanding fundamentals and structure. If you master this concept, then everything else builds on top of it. So this was 3-day of my 90-day Forex beginner roadmap. If this explanation's helped, stay with the series. In day 4, I'll explain pips and how price movement into pips turns profit. One concept at a time, and that's how real traders are built. Most people who struggle with Forex trading aren't